Hey YouTube, here we have it, the highly anticipated Casablanca collab with New Balance 327s. In terms of the general structure of the trainer, I'm really loving the white perforated leather complemented with the grey suede, as this gives the trainer a sleek tennis style look. Traction panel at the bottom of the shoe in an off-white colour would have to be my favourite part of the shoe. You've also got similar New Balance branding on the inner side of the shoe, cream laces with gold tips, additional New Balance logo on the back tabs, and finally a pink nylon tongue with the Casablanca logo in the signature green and orange. Let me know if you managed to cop a pair of these on release day, and if you'd like this video and would like to see more content from me, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon!